In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello labels effectively in our full 2025 guide. Trello is a powerful tool for managing projects and staying organized, and labels can add a whole new level of efficiency to your workflow. Whether you're managing a small team or organizing personal projects, using labels correctly will help you categorize and prioritize tasks with ease. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll want to head over to Trello.com. If you don't have a Trello account, signing up is quick and simple, but if you do, you'll be directed to the login page. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the login button. You have the option to log in using your email address or even your Google account. Choose the method that suits you best, and soon you'll find yourself on your Trello dashboard. Now locate the boards option, typically found in your workspace menu. This section is where all your project boards are housed. It's important to familiarize yourself with this layout since different boards will correspond to various projects you're managing. Once you've clicked into the boards section, navigate toward the Your Workspaces section. This is where all of your active boards reside. Here, scan through and click on the specific board you want to work with today. Within your chosen board, identify the card you want to label. Cards are essentially tasks or items that need attention, and adding labels to them will ease navigation and prioritization. Click on the card to reveal more options, and from this expanded view you'll want to click on the Labels button. Selecting a color for your label is the next step. Trello provides a palette of colors to help distinguish different labels. Whether you're categorizing by priority level, team member, or task type, choose a color that aligns with your organizational strategy. Once you've selected a color, you'll notice a pencil icon next to it. Go ahead and click that pencil icon to name your label. Naming is crucial because it adds another layer of clarity to your organizational structure. Ensuring that your labels are intuitively named will help your team or yourself process information quickly and effectively. After naming your label, don't forget the final step: clicking on the Save button. This action will ensure that your hard work isn't lost. Now your labels are ready to be used, and the card you labeled reflects all the categorizations and priorities you set. By following these steps, using labels in Trello can significantly enhance your productivity, and there you have it, a straightforward approach to using Trello labels to their fullest potential. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide simplifies your project management tasks in Trello. Be sure to try out these steps and let us know how Trello labels are transforming your workflow. Until next time, happy organizing.